Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I feel like I've been trying a lot of new things recently, between the whole like trying new to me and like straight up review type videos, and I've got a lot of current favorites. So I thought, why not try doing like a new routine or creating a new routine while using the products that I've been liking together at once, and seeing if it's a routine I actually want to make my go-to every day, and at the same time I get to tell you guys what my current favorites are. So if you guys don't know what that is, then let's go. So I'm gonna start with eyeshadow. I kid you not, these three palettes have been my favorite palettes for the last 2 months. Every single eyeshadow look that you've seen anywhere on social media came from either one of these palettes or like all three of them together. So I'm gonna start with this one. I think I'm gonna do something different because I don't think I've shown it on camera, but I technically did this when I did the Rare Beauty review video. I'm gonna start with my lid shades first and then go, you'll see. But I'm gonna start with the Tammi palette. Oh, I should probably tell you what the products are. This is the Tammi Clark Makeup Revolution collaboration palette. Does that have a name? Tropical Twilight. Of course, this is the Jackie Aina ABH collaboration palette, and then this is the Opv Rainbow Splash palette. So I'm gonna start with this shade Dawn, and low-key just start placing that all over my, can you see that? Sorry. Start placing that all over my lid. And then this shade Ginger from the Jackie palette. I usually use that shade as my transition shade. And just right next to the name of whatever shade the first one is, I already forgot. Dawn? Is that what it's called? I'm gonna use edges in my outer corner, out here, and a little into my crease, but mostly out here. And then this shade Sundown from Tammi's palette in my crease. And just take that all the way around. So I put Hydro Grip down on my entire face, but it's not like a new current favorite, so we're just gonna skip right over it. In my T-zone, you guys know, even though I do have oily skin, I've been liking adding just a little illumination in there. Lately, it has been this Thrive Illuminating Primer, but ever since I tried it, it's been this Rare Beauty Illuminating Primer. Is that what you're called? What are you called? Yeah, Rare Beauty Illuminating Primer. So I'm gonna go in with that in my T-zone. Way too much. Go ahead and take some of that off. And then just blend that out. Foundation, I'm going to use the Bounce, what's this? Liquid Whip foundation. It's been one of my favorites lately. I'm going to try not to use that much today. I feel like I already lied. That's not that much. It's kind of a lot. Oh, this is in the shade 4.40. And then you guys know, for concealer, I've just been using a lighter shade of foundation. So this is the shade 4.30. And just going to, that was a lot. Just kind of map it out on your face where you want it before you start blending it out, and how much you want. Now to set that, I like this powder from Midas. It's an unusual color compared to like the usual colors that we see for setting powder, especially under eye. But I also like this honey shade from Laura. I want to use them both. I'm using both, but I'm also like, is that me adding a little too much yellow to my face? But I guess we're about to find out. So let me focus Midas in my nose area. And then honey on the rest of it, and also, like my chin and forehead. And probably down my nose too. You guys have probably also noticed in recent videos that I also carve out where my contour is going to sit. I already had contour on before I put on foundation. I'm gonna move on to bronzer, and lately I've been using the bronzer from the Neon Midas collab from their Dusk face palette. So this shade right here. I love how I was getting ready to say, you just want to build out slow, which I didn't do. So now you gotta go into overtime trying to blend it all out. I do like the blush that's in the Neon palette, and I did also like those liquid blushes from Rare, but I always end up going back to my baby, which is Laura Mercier. This is the shade Grapefruit. Do I want to mix it with some of that Rare liquid? Because I want an orangey orange blush today. Let me just use Grapefruit. To set my face, also from Rare, they're always an Optimist spray. You know, give them one good. Okay. That went right up my nose. And then I just like to pat my face down with a darker powder. So I'm just gonna use medium deep. Like I literally add nothing, just tap the lid and just kind of give my face a little, you know, once over. For my lips, I'm pretty sure Hot Chocolate has been in every look for the last couple weeks. So I'm gonna put that down. But again, I want a little more orange. So I'm gonna use this shade from Maybelline. It is their 370 Spice for me. Just put that down in the middle. The only other thing are lashes, and I get questions every single time I wear them, and the answer to your question of where did I get them from is I got them from Princesslocs on Instagram. I'm pretty sure I featured them in a trying new to me video, don't remember which one, but these are in the style Bossy, and yeah, that is it for my face. These are my current favorite products. I'm not sure how I'm feeling about them together though. I don't know, maybe I'll have to let the face play out throughout the day to really get a grasp on how I'm feeling about them. I'm thinking like maybe I should have used the Thrive instead of the Rare one, but again, I'll let you guys know how that goes. And I mean, you'll see which ones I keep using on my face after this. Maybe I should do like a Holy Grail product video, because you know, every time I shy away from that NYX Born to Glow and I go back to it, I'm like, why did I stop using it? I feel like you guys know that's the foundation I would use in that video, and I'm not sure if I'm ready to shy away from it and, you know, jump ship to this Bounce foundation. So I'll have to keep you guys posted on that one. But I mean, she's cute though, you know, together they came out cute. I'm not sure if I can call this my new routine, but of course you guys will see moving forward. And yeah, let me know what some of your current favorites are in the comments down below. If you're not wearing makeup, let me know your favorite skincare favorites, current favorites, anything. Let me know that in the comments down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn on notification bells, all of that down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.